Hey guys, I'm James, and you're watching behind the scenes of the Speed Freaks Builder Series. Today, we're going to take a closer look at how Ant was able to massage and customize this gorgeous little CG-125 replica tank to fit the burly frame of the CX.
To get the tank to fit the frame is an absolute mammoth task. There's a lot of swearing involved, a lot of cursing, a lot of throwing things. The tank was too narrow for the CX frame, so obviously the CX frame's got that narrow body going down the side, but you've also got the subframe that clamps onto the side, and you've got the bolts, so the tank itself needs to be stretched out. So what we did with that was we put the tank in the vise, opened up the vise, a lot of heat, and then allowed it to stretch. I think we kept it in the vise for about a day. I kept on heating it and cooling it and so forth, and repeated the motions, and then eventually when we closed the vise, the tank was wide enough to go on. The other issue he had was that the inside, the underneath, the back section of the tank was also too high, so we had to grind off all these tabs and then beat that tank in so it would actually sit quite flush on the bar, so that was another mammoth task that we had to do.
Well, that wasn't exactly bolt-on now, was it? But really, that's what makes projects like this so rewarding. Built, not bought is an oft-repeated motto around here, and when you can say it with conviction, pride swells. Top job fabbing this up, Ant. Not only does it fit like a glove, it really looks the business too. I love the narrower lines and how it exposes and really shows off the heads of the CX. So be sure to check back for next week's video and see what Ant and the DCC crew will work over next. Hey, you! Do all this crap down here, alright? Be sure to watch these videos right over here. And be sure to check out DimeCityCycles.com. Thanks for watching.